So one of the major issues we all face while traveling abroad is the language barrier. Sometimes this issue is resolved if the next person and you can speak English, but that's a hit or a miss situation. So to completely resolve this issue, today I've got some amazing AI powered products for you. We have the Hyundai HY-C8 smart glasses and WearFit AI mobile phone assistant. Before we move further in the video, if you are new to the channel, a subscribe would be highly appreciated to help me reach 50,000 subscribers. So first of all, let's talk about the specifications of the smart glasses. So they come with Bluetooth version 5.4 and has a transmission range of 10 meters. The body dimensions are 148 into 150 millimeters. So both of the stems work like true wireless earphones. We have this sensor area here which can be used to perform many gestures. Then on both of the stems we have a speaker located here, and both of them also have separate microphones. Then both of them are also equipped with a 55 mAh of battery capacity, which can give you 5 to 6 hours of battery life. Let's take a look inside the box. We get the user manual here. Here's the QR code to activate it. We have another user manual here. Then we have a 2-pin charger for the smart glasses, and here we get a polishing cloth to clean the glasses. So let's set it up with the smartphone. So first of all, you will have to scan this QR code to download the Nebula app application. Once you have downloaded the application, go to your Bluetooth settings and here connect with HY-C8. And after connecting with the application, you will have to go back to the Nebula Buds application, go to connection management, and in bind device, here you will have to enter this QR code. I've already done all of these steps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap and hold on both of the sensors to turn on the smart glasses, and now both of them have turned on. So currently the light is blinking because both of them are looking for a connection, and here you can see that they are auto connected with the application. And now it is time to try out the translation feature. So enough talking, let's try them out. And here's how it's looking like. I guess they're looking a bit bigger on my face, so if you are a bit skinny like me, then I would recommend you to grow your beard and hair first if you want to order them. So I have the application opened right here, so you might be seeing the screen recording here or here. I'm not really sure where I'm going to be putting it while editing. So first of all, as you can see that we have connection management, and then we have simultaneous interpretation. It is only going to translate the other party's conversation and will play it through your earphone. So I'm translating English to Urdu. As you can judge from the icons, it will take the input in English and will give the output in Urdu, and will also play it through the earphones. So it played it in Urdu in the earphones. So I'm going to hold the microphone right here so you can also listen to it. So it is working quite well, and I'm actually quite impressed by it, and it is also quite fast. So this is how it's working, and I am really impressed by it. What do you think about it? Let me know about your opinion in the comments below. As you can see, it is also going to give a complete transcript of the conversation. Another thing that I really like is that it also has many other modes. For example, we have headphone plus mobile mode. So it is basically going to provide you with two-way translation. Again, as you can judge from the icons, it has selected the iPhone speaker for English and the earbud speaker for Chinese. So let's try it out. I'm gonna change Chinese to Urdu as I can't speak Chinese. Hi there, how are you doing? So as you can see here, it has shown the translation here, and it has also played it through the speaker of the smart glasses. And now if I'll tap on the earphones icon, it will take the input in Urdu and will play the output on the speaker of the iPhone in English. So let's try it out. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
I'm alright, how are you?
So this is how it's working. In my opinion, it's a quite good option. If you are having a one-on-one conversation with someone using this feature, you can both take advantage of the translation feature. Other than that, we also have live recording here, so you can wear your glasses, and if you're in a meeting, I think it would look quite awkward if you will wear this black frame. So I would recommend you to go with the transparent frame, and it is also going to provide you with a complete transcript by the end of the recording. As you can see here, it is showing the transcript here. And in the end, we have the audio and video calls. So for this option to work, the next person also needs to have the AI smart glasses or any other product by this company, so that this application can connect with the other person's application and you can enjoy the audio and video calls. And now we have our second product, the AI mobile phone assistant by WearFit, which can directly stick at the back of your iPhone, which makes it really easier to use. You might be wondering, what if you do not own an iPhone 12 or higher? So let's look at the contents inside the box. Let's lift this up. So we get a user manual here. Then we have a 2-pin magnetic charger, and after that we have a metal ring here. So you can paste it at the back of your smartphone, and then this AI assistant can easily stick at the back of your phone. So enough talking, let's test it out. First of all, you will have to press and hold the button to turn it on. After that, go to the WearFit Pro application. You can easily find it on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then go to Add Device, and here you will see AI102. Just connect with it, and in a few seconds you will see connection successful. Tap on OK, and here you can see that now this AI assistant is connected with my iPhone. And now look at this, I'm gonna tap and hold this button, and it will take me directly to this one-click translation. We have many options given here. We have the translate option, we have mutual translation, then we have only display translation, and a display floating window. So I'll show you how it works. First of all, I'm gonna select Urdu here, and here I'm gonna select English. So I'll save something in Urdu and it will translate it into English. And if you turn on the mutual translation option, then if I'll speak in English, it will translate it to Urdu. So what's the best thing about it? You do not need to open any application to use it. I'm just gonna exit the application so you can stick it at the back of your iPhone. I'm gonna keep it in hand. Now let me show you how it works. You will have to press and hold this button to give it an input. यहाँ से इस्लामाबाद जाने का सबसे छोटा रास्ता कौन सा है?
What is the shortest route from here to Islamabad?
You can see that it has noted my question in Urdu and it has given the output in English, and since I have the speaker option turned on, that's why it has also said it out loud. Now let's try English to Urdu. What is the shortest route from Lahore to Islamabad?
लाहौर से इस्लामाबाद तक का मुख्तसर तरीन रास्ता क्या है?
Just check this out. It is just amazing and it is so easy to use. So for example, you are in Spain, you can press it once to say the sentence in Urdu and it's going to translate into Spanish, and then you can press and hold it again and the next person is going to speak in Spanish and it will translate it to Urdu or any language that you have selected. And sticking it at the back of your iPhone makes it really easy to use, as you'll have to just hold it like this and then just press the button. क्या आप लोगों ने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ है?
Have you guys subscribed to my channel yet?
No? Then subscribe right now guys, you are missing out on a lot. So which one would you go for? Let me know in the comments. To place an order, you can find the link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase them. And subscribe to my channel right now if you haven't yet.
और अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है तो अभी मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
I will catch you in the next video. Peace.
मैं आपको अगली वीडियो में पकड़ूंगा।